friend, but I cannot see you. Please show your face. Wow, you look so nice, bro. Handsome guy. Thank you very much for meeting with mine. We're going to have a great conversation here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You look
So
so nice, bro. You look so nice. Which country are you from?
yeah, I am from. You are asking about country name. I am from Bihar
Yes,
state,
Bihar states. Oh,
India. I am
bro.
from India.
I meet so many people who is from Bihar, but I don't know why so many people is from Bihar in this platform, in this group, because, you know, most of the people I met before, the largest portion of people, they were from Bihar.
So and brother, where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. Currently, I am living in Sylhet, but I am basically belong from Rajshahi division. Yeah, that's all about myself a little bit. But I am an English learner. Probably will be happy to hear about that. I am an English learner like you, and I want to learn English language. I want to get native English speaker accent. I want to have great pronunciations, correct English grammars with no mistakes and all that. So that's why I am here to practice my English language with other people. What about you?
Yeah, brother, I am also here. I am using this application because I also want to improve my English. That's why I am using this application. And
Wow,
you
that
know,
sounds great.
everyone, I think everyone use this application because everyone want to improve their English. That's why everyone use this application. So
Yes.
yeah, I faced lots of people on this application, but mostly people are beginner on this application. I am also beginner. I'm not telling you I know English. Some people are very excellent who is using this application, and I already talked with him or her also. So but I found when I talked with any foreign country people, that time I don't feel any hesitation. At that time I don't feel any types of
So I have
problem
a
while talking
question
with.
here. Sorry for interrupting you. Have you ever talked with foreign countries people whose native language is English? Have you ever talked with them?
Yeah, no, brother. I think you in I think these days I think only 15, almost 15 to 20s countries the native language is English. Otherwise, almost 150 countries are learning English these days. You don't think
Yes, bro.
foreign country
You are
people know English
absolutely
very well?
right.
No, only 15 to 10, 15 to 20 countries native language is English. Otherwise, all countries are learning English. Even I
Learning English
already talked.
language.
Yeah, I already talked with North America country people. I already talked with lots of
So
countries. So
through which application you are
no, no,
connecting
no,
with them?
no, no, brother. Before using this application, I used to use I think a real life application, and real life application whole world use that application. But
Wow, whole world use
yeah,
that application. That sounds great. So
yeah.
I have a question for you, my friend. How many days? How many days have you been keep practicing your English language?
Yeah, I have been. You are asking about. I think how long have I think how long I
Yes.
am
How
practice.
long? How
Yeah,
long have you
yeah,
been practicing your English language, my
yeah,
friend?
yeah. I have been. Yeah, brother. I have been practicing English and learning English. I think for 5 months. Before 4 5 months ago, I was not able to speak English a little bit, but I used 3 4 audio application and one real life video application, and I think that those application helped me a lot in English.
Wow,
And this
that
time,
sounds great.
yeah.
So I want to interrupt you. Sorry for that. I want to tell other people that if you are not able to learning English language, please follow my friends. What's your name? What should I call you?
Yeah, my name is Pradeep Thakur, and you can
Pardeep
call me Thakur.
Thakur. Okay.
Yeah,
The people
yeah,
who applied about English language, the people who thought English is not for them, they are not going to learn English language. So many people have been learning English language since their elementary school, since their middle schools. Still they are learning English language, but they can't speak English language. So you can follow my friend Thakur. She started learning English language. It's been only 6 months, and he now able to speak English language very confidently and fluently as well. And he is able to making a conversations with different kinds of peoples. It's a big achievement, bro. It's a big
Yeah, yeah,
achievement. Congratulations,
yeah,
congratulations.
yeah, yeah. Thanks
So
for brother.
probably
But
if you keep practicing your English language almost more 5 months to 6 months, you are going to
yeah, yeah,
improve a lot.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, brother, but I am not fully satisfied with myself because this time I am beginner and I want to improve more because I want to speak English in good level. I think in intermediate level, advanced level.
Well, that
Because this is
sounds
my
great. I
yeah.
would say, bro, your English is very well and you can understand mine as well. And your accent is very well. I can understand everything. And I have to say you are in an intermediate level of English speakers, but you have to try to make yourself in advanced level English speakers. For that case, you have to learn a little bit grammar. You have to work for your pronunciation a little bit, and you can expand your vocabularies by listening English podcast, audiobooks, or reading some newspaper articles or something like that. And eventually, you will become more advanced the more you practice, bro. If you keep practicing your English language, but it seems like you practice your English language each and every day. But if you keep continue it,